Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can hide certain albums in a Samsung Galaxy phone's gallery. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, we have to open our gallery application. And after we have opened our gallery application, we can select an album we would like to hide. And for instance, I'm going to hide this quick share album. And after that, we just need to click on these three dots. And here we can click on hide albums. And since I want to hide the quick share album, I'm going to click on this toggle button on the quick share album, and now the quick share album has been hidden, and I'm going to check it on my gallery. Okay, as you can see that my quick share album is hidden and it doesn't appear on my gallery. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide certain albums in a Samsung Galaxy phone's gallery. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.